So I figured I would just show you quickly the tutorial for the hairstyle I put up a couple of days ago. It was the low messy bun. You need one hairband. I have 4 pins. That's literally because that's all I have in my little makeup kit, so hopefully I'm going to work with that. You can curl your hair first, which I did in the original picture, but I haven't today, and there's also no product in it. For ease, it's probably good to put in like a dry shampoo or a texturizing powder as well. So what you're going to do, shape the pieces around your face that you want. I like to have quite a few bits coming down, and then if I turn around, hopefully you can see. So you're going to put it in a ponytail-ish. You're going to stop here. So in this little man bun, like this, okay? Beautiful. And then this section here, you're going to wrap around the hair. It doesn't need to be neat. It's actually kind of nice if it's a little bit messy, to be honest, but that's just my opinion. And you're just going to secure the hair with your hairpins. You can usually feel where you're going to need them. I would just then loosen the hair out a little bit, and that should be okay. Obviously I can't see, so I have no idea, but we'll do a little check in a bit. There's a little bit there. Put that bit in. There you go. Hopefully easy.